Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I am going to show you that how to add the motion blur effect on your videos by using the CapCut. So first of all you have to just open your CapCut and then import the project that you want to change with the motion blur effect. I am selecting this project and then click on the add. Once your project is here in your CapCut, you have to just click on the timeline of the video in order to select it. Once you're done, you have to just scroll all the way right side in the bottom of the menu and you will find here an option of the motion blur. Make sure that you are using the latest version of the CapCut. So once you find here this option of the motion blur, just click on it. And here is the motion blur you can make your own way. Like you can add this blur motion according to your requirement. Just adjust it by dragging this drop toward the right in order to set it according to your requirement. You can also add the blend effect here. So now here is the time to choose your direction. After this, select here the time for the repetition of this motion blur. Like I am selecting here the twice. Once you are satisfied with your motion blur effect, click on the done. So it will take about 1 to 2 minutes depending upon your video's timeline. Once this process ends, now you can enjoy your video with the motion blur effect after completing this processing. So once you're done, you can export your video and enjoy itself. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information, visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe my channel Let Me Guide. Thanks for watching.